Yesterday. So this swarm's been here for a day, 2 days now. And it looks like I'll be able to get most of it by cutting the limb directly below, carrying it down, and then I'm going to shake it into the box. I've got 5 frames in the box and 4 frames outside. I'm going to put those frames back in once I get most of the bees in it. I think what I'm going to do is clear that one branch out of my way. Maybe this one too. Okay, so this gives me a good view now of the whole bunch. They're pretty calm. There's a few bees in the air, but we should be all right. Get the box out of my way. Safety first. I've got a migratory top I'm going to throw on top, and I've already screened off the entrance underneath the bottom board, and I've cleated the bottom board to the hive body. So now comes the sawing. Since I don't know what the disposition of this hive is going to be, I'm going to go ahead and suit up for the sawing part. I put on gloves just because I put on all this gear, even though a swarm doesn't really tend to sting. I put this on because I react pretty dramatically to stings.
Yeah, I've seen that.
I get pretty swollen. So rather than take the chance of just one errant sting on my face and on my hands, I just suit up a little more than is probably necessary for this. Trying to saw as gently as possible. So far they seem to be pretty calm. You never know out here whether what kind you're getting. So there they are. Somewhere up in here is the queen. So I'm going to shake this down into here. A lot of bees are going to go in the air now. A warning to all of you in the area. Now, as you can see, I've got a ton of them here inside. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put my frames back in. I almost certainly have the queen in there. I'm going to check because I see some bees on the side here. I'm going to put the frames in, and then I'm going to let the stray bees fly up and go in because I'm assuming the queen's inside. It's a very calm hive. Really happy to see that. They're marching in over here, so that means I do have the queen inside. I see that I still have a secondary swarm up there, so I got to go get that now. Got a lot more bees in the air now. So it's possible the queen's in here. So I have to shake this in. Although they're really taken to the comb nicely. So I may already have her. Keep it on play and I'll grab the camera and walk up. So there they are, and as you can see, I think you can see, they're sitting on the comb pretty nicely in there. And in this center one, that glump there looks like it's probably the queen. So I'm going to leave them alone.